Hi guys, welcome back to the Luscious bar. Today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to achieve this look using some new Makeup Revolution makeup products that I just got delivered today. Yay! So if you want to see how I was able to achieve these looks as well as some of the new products that I purchased, please stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, welcome. We talk about makeup, we talk about skincare, we do DIYs, and if you are a returning subscriber, I got you. Let's get into this video showing you the products, and then I'm gonna come back and give you my final thoughts. Let's get into it. Hey beauties, welcome back to the Luscious bar today. I'm just going to show you some of the most recent products that I purchased from them, and then we're going to get into today's look. This is the Reloaded Iconic Division palette. So I got the Reloaded Marvellous Mattes palette, the Revolution Pro Regeneration Trans Mischief Mattes. So now I have two colorful matte palettes that I am able to play with the colors. So yeah, I got a new blush set. So these are more pinky. The other blush palette that I have, and both of these are, so this one is Blush Sugar and Spice, and then this one is Blush Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold. So those are the two ones that I have. Also, I got another concealer. This one I have in C17. I got this to contour with. So I have a C12 and I have a C13. C13 is very close to my complexion, which is what I used on my eyebrows earlier. And then C12 is just a shade lighter, which I'm going to be using underneath my eyes to contour with. Yeah. And then the last thing I got was this bronzer palette. This is a Revolution Pro 4K bronzer palette. And that's how it looks for my bronzer today. So I really like those things. I want to look for a nice warm face today. So I'm going to be using this bronzer palette today. I'm going to be using this blush palette today, and out of the, I don't think I want to do any colors today. I think I'm going to go with the Iconic Division palette today. I'm going to see if I can do maybe a smoky eye. I haven't done that look yet, so I'm going to play around with that today. So I'm going to put my two colorful palettes away and get started on today's makeup look. This done a few times, you know, just watch these videos and I think I'm a pro, and I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Hi.
Okay.
Right, have I successfully slimmed my face a little bit? I've just drawn a... Right. We are contouring today. Yes.
Yeah.
I feel like something's there. I just can't see it. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the side of my nose. So I went back in with just a little bit more bronzer because I couldn't really see it. I don't know. I'm saying bronzer. I mean contour. Don't I mean contour?
That is not correct.
wonder if I should put more on the other side as well. Is my face okay, guys? But you know what? It's okay to learn a little something. Yeah, it's okay to learn. That's what this channel is about. This is a learning channel. Did I wet my sponge? This feels... I didn't wet my sponge. That's what it is. So I've just bronzed my... Contoured? I contoured my face. I haven't bronzed it yet. So now I need to do bronzer. And I need to do highlight. Oh, no, you know what? Let's do my eyes first. What color would I like to use first? I'm going to use a flat brush first. Are any of my flat brushes clean? Is the question.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this little peachy looking color here as our transition color, and then maybe we can go in with maybe this pinky looking color here, and then for the smoky look, I think I'm gonna go with that dark green down to the bottom there. This smells really powdery.
So beautiful.
Yeah? Hey guys, welcome back. I have finished my face finally. My phone turned off again for the third time while trying to put this video together. I am so sorry. So I did put on my lashes. I don't exactly know where I got these lashes from. I think they may have gotten, they may have arrived from China because there's Chinese word written on it. I'm not 100% sure, but I did go ahead and put on some blush from that new blush palette that I told you that I purchased. So that's this one. And then I also did my lips. Today I'm using Phase Zero lip gloss in the shade Baby Pink, as well as my Jeffree Star dupe or fake Jeffree Star lip stain that I got from AliExpress. And then finish off my face with my Glow Fix Illuminating Fixing Spray from Makeup Revolution. So basically that is it. I did my eyebrows as well. Don't forget to put on your eyebrow gel when you are done. And that is it. But this is the finished look for today. Not too shabby. I really like the colors in this iconic division. My new eye palette. I really like the neutrals. I really like the greens. I did put a little bit of that green shimmer in the corner there, in the corner of my eye. So I'm happy with the way the bronzer, the eyeshadows, the blush all came together in this video. All right, so thank you so much for watching and joining me today. I do apologize if the sound is off, background noise or anything like that. My kids are obviously home. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, and stay luscious. That's gonna be in our bloopers in